guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our bi-weekly spot. We are at CVS, about to get into some of the best deals that you can do this week. And we got some good stuff going on this week, you guys. So you know how we do. We don't waste any time around here. Let's jump right into this deal. So the first thing we're going to be doing is the CoverGirl. This week, the CoverGirl is buy two, get back $6 in extra bucks. And you already know what we're going to pick up. Grabbing two of these pencils for $5.49 each. We're going to be using two of the $2 coupons. You could also use the $3 insert coupons if you have those, but I don't have any insert coupons this week. So it's going to be $10.98 for two minus our $2 coupons. That'll bring us down to $6.98. And then we also have a $4 instant coupon that everybody got this week in your app. So that'll leave you to pay $2.98 and get back $6. Making these two babies a 302 moneymaker or a 502 moneymaker if you have insert coupons. This week, the Method Cleaners are 20% off, so each one of them will ring out for $3.99. I'm going to go ahead and pick up two of these because we have offers on Swag Bucks and Checkout 51 that we can submit back for that make these a really good price. So these two are going to be $7.98 after the sale, but we're going to get back $4 from Swag Bucks and we're going to get back 78 cents for both of them. So $1.56 from Checkout 51. It's going to make our final cost $2.42 for both, or just $1.21 a piece. Another way you can do your Method deal this week is with the Method hand soap. So this week, these are also on sale, but they're buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy two, you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks. At my store, they are priced at $5.19 each. So these two would total us up to $7.78 after the buy one, get one 50% off sale. I don't have any coupons for these products, but we do have a Swag Bucks offer for $5 back when you buy two. So we can get $5 back plus the $2 in extra bucks. So in store, you're going to pay out the $7.78. You'll get back the $2 in extra bucks. That'll bring you down to $5.78. And you're also going to get back the $5 from Swag Bucks. That brought you down to 78 cents. But the savings don't stop there because you also want to check Checkout 51. Because on Checkout 51, we also have 75 cents back. So that's going to make both of those completely super free plus a 72-cent moneymaker. Now I want to take a quick pause to tell you about the sponsor for today's video, and then we will jump right back into the deals. I want to make sure that you guys know about and are using the free Upside app. If you are not using Upside, I need you to start right now because you can be earning cash back for things that you are already buying anyway, like gas, groceries, dining out. Every single week when Matt fuels up our cars, he always uses Upside. He currently has over $50 in his Upside account that he's earned just from getting the gas that he was going to pay for anyway. And it's real cash back. It's not rewards or points or credit or anything that you have to learn to convert. This is actual cash money that you can transfer back into your bank account. And all you have to do to use Upside is claim the offer for whatever you're buying. Then you pay with your credit or debit card as usual. Follow the steps in the app and get paid. And top Upside earners are making as much as $300 per month. To find out how much you could earn, click the link in the description, download Upside, and use code CouponWithStar to get an extra 25 cents back for every gallon on your first tank of gas. Or scan the QR code here to claim this offer. Now we're going to get into our Kimberly-Clark products. So the first thing I want to grab is some Kotex products as a part of this deal, but there's a lot of different Kimberly-Clark products that are included in this promotion. You could grab paper products like the Scott is a really good deal this week. They're $8.99. We are going to get one of those. Or you could grab like Huggies if you have a baby and you need baby products. Those products are also included. But I'm going to get some feminine here to get started. We're going to get one package of pads for $7.59. We do have a $1 digital coupon, and we also have $1 back on Ibotta. I'm also going to be grabbing a package of liners for $5.99. So these also have a $1 digital coupon. It's the same digital though, so it'll only come off once. Because it's only one of the $1 digital coupons, I'm actually going to use a $2.15 off of 2 coupon from the Kotex website. Hopefully that works out because that'll give us some more savings for this deal. And these also have a separate $1 Ibotta rebate as well. Now I'm going to go on ahead and pick up the Poise. So the Poise is $7.59. coupons, but we have a $3 digital coupon. And I'm also going to be grabbing a Scott for $8.99. We have a $1 digital coupon for this, and I also have $2 back on Ibotta, but that is in the list already, so it may not be available if you're watching this video a little bit later. All right, you guys, so this is our complete spend 30 get 10 deal. This totals up to 3016 before any coupons are applied. So we are good to go to get back $10 in extra bucks for spending 30. For the Poise, we have a $3 digital coupon. For the Kotex, I'm going to be using this 215 off of 2 coupon that I printed from their website. And then for the Scott, we also have a $1 digital coupon. And I think the $1 digital for the Kotex might come off as well. So I should pay out $23.01 after all of those coupons apply. But then we should get back the $10 in extra bucks. And we should get back $2 from the Kotex from Ibotta and $2 for the Scott from Ibotta. So a total of $4 back from Ibotta for those items as well. It's going to make the final cost for all 4 of these items just $9. Next deal I'm grabbing is the buy 2 get 3 on Airwick, Finish, and Lysol products. I was going to grab 2 of the Finish Jet Dry, but since my store only has 1, we're going to grab 1 of those, and I'm also going to grab a Lysol item. And for this Finish Jet Dry, it is $4.47, but we do have a $2 digital coupon and $2 back on Ibotta, making it only 47 cents. So to go with my Finish, I'm going to grab a Lysol laundry sanitizer. These are $6.99 this week, but we do have a $2 digital coupon. So these 2 total us up to $11.46, and then we have $2 digital coupons on each product, so we'll pay out $7.46. But then I'm going to get back $3 in extra bucks for buying both of them, and $2 back in Ibotta for the Finish. It's going to make our final cost just $2.46 for both. That equals just $123 per item, all digital. This week we have very nice oral care deals on the Crest toothpaste, on select mouth rinse, and these double packs of toothbrushes that I'm going to be grabbing. I'm grabbing these because we have 2 $3 digital coupons that are going to apply, so I'm going to pick up 2 of them for $4.94. That'll be $9.88. Minus those 2 $3 coupons, I'm going to pay out $3.88 and then get back $5 in extra bucks, making them completely free plus a $1.12 moneymaker. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my first transaction. We have the Oral-B, we have the CoverGirl, we have our Spend 30 Kimberly-Clark deal, the Method, and we're only going to be using 2 paper coupons in this deal for the Kotex and the CoverGirl. Everything else is digital and loaded to my card. Let's see how this goes.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
all right, you guys, so let's go over that transaction. So it was a little bit eventful. I actually had to leave CVS and come back. It's like 3 hours later from when I was filming before, because y'all probably know if you were shopping today, CVS system went down this afternoon. So yes, y'all, this video is probably going to be up a little bit late since I have been so delayed, but I finally was able to come back and check out, and here is a close-up of my receipt for that transaction. It actually worked out beautiful once we got a working system. So here is everything. All of our coupons came off. The $2 for the CoverGirl Scan Fine along with the Kotex, and then all of our digitals came off as well. My subtotal after I rolled in $32 in extra bucks was $321. So we paid out $32 in extra bucks plus $321. So we paid out $35.21 in this transaction. Now let's talk about what we got back, because we got a lot back. We got back $3 for the Lysol. We got back $5 for the Oral-B. We got back $10 for the Scott deal. and $6 for the CoverGirl. But of course, the money does not stop there. I scanned over for $6 on Ibotta, and I also got back $1.56 from Checkout 51, and I got back $4 from Swagbucks. So total back for our transaction was $35.56 after we spent out $35.21. That transaction was completely super duper free, plus a very small moneymaker. Now it's time to announce the winner of this week's $25 CVS e-gift card giveaway. The winner is Dimples on Demand. Congratulations to you. If you will send me an email by Saturday, I will get you verified and get your gift card over to you. And then of course, we're gonna do it again. All you have to do to enter this week's giveaway is leave a comment down below. You must be subscribed to my channel and thumbs up this video. I will announce the winner in the next CVS video. This week, the small bottles of Persil are on sale 2 for $12, so they're $6 each. And we have $2 digital and printable coupons on coupons.com. So I'm going to pick up 2 of them. After my $4 in manufacturer coupons, I will pay $8 at the register. Then I'm going to submit over to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each one. That's going to bring my final cost down to $5 or $2.50 each. This week on one of my accounts, I got a $5 off your entire purchase. So this is what I'm going to use my $5 on. That's going to make these 2 bottles free $99. All right, you guys. So this is the next transaction that I did. I did 2 of the Persil and 2 of the CoverGirl. And let me tell y'all something. I was so disoriented from the system being down. I forgot to use my $2 paper coupon for the second bottle of Persil. So let me show you how that worked out. So here is everything that came off, everything except for that $2 paper coupon I forgot to use. That was $7.98 subtotal, and I didn't have any extra bucks on this card, and then I got back the $6, so that already made it $1.98. But then of course I got back $3 from Ibotta, making this completely free, plus a $1 moneymaker, but it should have been a $3 moneymaker. This week, the Neutrogena products are spend $25, get back $10 in extra bucks. This is the facial care for Neutrogena and the Aveeno. So an easy deal you could do is pick up one of the Neutrogena moisturizers, like this Hydro Boost Water Gel. So this is $25.99 in store. We do have a 5 off of 20 coupon if you have that, and a $5 digital coupon. So after both of those, you would pay out $15.99, but get back $10 in extra bucks, making your final cost on this just $5.99. This would be a good item to use a percentage off coupon on if you don't mind paying the out of pocket. Like if you had a 20% off coupon, you could add that into the mix, and then you would pay out $12.79. You would have to pay the $12.79 in cash or a gift card. You can't roll the extra bucks with that percentage off, and then you get back 10, so you can make it a little bit cheaper. And if you have like a 40% off, you can make this free $99. This week, the Act Body Wash is buy 2, get back $3 in extra bucks, and they're buy 1, get 1 50% off. So you could pick up 2 of them. One would be $5.99, the second one would be $2.99, and that would total you up to $8.98. Then you want to use this $5 digital coupon on both of them, and at the register you would pay out $3.98 and get back that $3 extra buck, making your final cost on these just 49 cents each. We have some really nice savings on the OGX this week. This week they're buy 1, get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2, you're going to get back $4 in extra bucks. So the best way to do this deal is to pick up 2 products for $8.99, buy 1, get 1. So let me show you the breakdown. So these 2 together, after the buy 1, get 1 50% off sale, would be $13.48. We have a $6 digital coupon that'll leave you to pay out $7.48 at the register. Then you're going to get back $4 in extra bucks. It'll make your final cost $3.48 for both of these, or just $1.75 each. We have a super easy deal on the Garnier Fructis this week that anyone can do. This week, these are buy 2, get back $3 in extra bucks. So you could pick up 2 of them, use your 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and then you would be left to pay $5 at the register. But then you're going to get back 3 of those 5, making your final cost just $2 or $1 per bottle. We have a really nice deal on the Real Techniques and Eco Tools products this week, and no coupons are needed for this deal. We don't have any that I know of. Their spend 15, get back back $10 in extra bucks. What I would do if I wanted to do this deal is I would pick up one product for $6.99, and then I would also pick up one product for $8.49. That'll bring you up to $15.48, which is enough to get back $10 in extra bucks. So that will make your final cost for two of these products just $5.48, or just $2.74 each. Another easy deal we have this week with no coupons needed is on the Gillette foam. So this week these are buy one get one 50% off. When you buy two, you're going to get back $3 in extra bucks. So you could pick up two of them. That'll be $5.38. No coupons. You would pay the $5.38, but then get back $3 in extra bucks, making your final cost $2.38 or $1.19 each. This might be the first week I'm doing the laundry deal in a while because it's actually decent this week and it's super easy. Anyone can definitely do this. This week, the laundry products, the P&G products, are spend $25, get back $8 in extra bucks. So $12.99 is the price for the products that we're going to pick up. We're going to get one of the Tide Pods, and we're also going to get a Tide liquid, the 84 ounce. So let's grab both of these. Let me show you the breakdown. So both of these are going to total us up to $25.98. So we're good to get back that $8 in extra bucks. And you got to remember it's 8 instead of our 10. But $8 is coming back to us. We're going to be using two coupons at the register. We have $3 off for the Tide Pods and $3 off for the Tide liquid. So at the register, we're going to pay out $19.98. But then we're going to get back that $8 in extra bucks, making our final cost $11.98 or $5.99 each. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go check out with my next transaction. I'm going to do the Tide, the Oral Care, the Garnier. I'm going to do the hand soap method this time, and the Axe. I'm only going to use two paper coupons once again. I'm going to try this Axe coupon to see if that works, along with one CoverGirl, and then everything else is digital and loaded to my card. Let's see how this works. This transaction worked out beautifully, so good. Our $2 Axe coupon worked just fine. All of our digitals came off, and then I rolled in $28 in extra bucks, and that left my subtotal at $3.60. So we paid out $31.60 in this transaction, but we got back $8 for the Tide deal. We got back $5 for the Crest deal. We got back $3 for the Garnier Fructis, $6 for the CoverGirl, and then $3 for the Axe, and $2 for the method. So that was a total back of $27 in extra bucks, but y'all know the money does not stop there. We also got back $5 from Swag Bucks and $1.50 from Checkout 51. So with all of that back, that transaction was completely free plus a $1.90 moneymaker. Yes, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is my CVS haul for this week, and I'm about to head on out of here because I've been dealing with CVS too long today. But this was a beautiful situation at CVS this week. This was all super free plus a $3 moneymaker. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.